Withdrawing funds from your Venmo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to transfer your money to your bank account or debit card. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your balance and withdrawal options. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Tap on the icon or the Manage Balance option at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Venmo balance, where you can see the amount available for withdrawal. Step 3. Select Transfer to Bank. Look for the Transfer to Bank option. Tap on it to initiate the process of moving your funds from Venmo to your bank account. Step 4. Choose Transfer Amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. You can choose to transfer the entire balance or a specific amount. After entering the amount, proceed to the next step. Step 5. Confirm Transfer Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account or debit card. Make sure to check your bank account to confirm the transfer has been completed successfully.